Hello and welcome to Wednesday Spelling. We're looking at challenge words this week, children. Words that do not follow a particular spelling pattern, so we have to learn them ourselves. Here are those spellings for the week. Pause the video now and see if you can read them all for yourself today. We practiced together yesterday. Can you read them yourself today? Okay, so today's challenge, children, to put our spellings in alphabetical order. It says place your spelling words in order alphabetically. If you have more than one word starting with the same letter, then you need to look at the next letter. So apple comes before cucumber because A is first in the alphabet and C for cucumber comes afterwards. Okay, so we're looking at the alphabet and we're ordering our spelling words in alphabetical order. Which letter comes first in the alphabet? If we had two words that start with the letter A, apple and alphabet, then we would need to look at the second letter and we can see that P comes here and L comes before it. Okay, so we would have alphabet first and apple second if those were our spelling words. Okay, so I'll just show you our spelling words again, and I'd recommend starting, children, by trying to see if there are any words start with an A in here, because A is the first letter of the alphabet, isn't it? So can we see any words that begin with A? After. It begins with R sound, but it's got A at the beginning, hasn't it? So I'd like you to write your spellings out, okay, as they were before. So you need to pause the video where we showed you your spelling words, write them out as I have, and then write them out again in alphabetical order. So we already know that the word after, there it is, I think it came down here somewhere in the spelling list that I gave you, but actually we know that when we order our words in alphabetical order, it's going to come first because A is the first letter of the alphabet. Then I would look for B words and C words, D words and so on. And remember that if you have lots of words with the same letter at the beginning, I can think of the letter E for the words every and everybody and even. They all start with E, so you need to look at the next letter to find out. Well, they all have EV. So what are we going to do after that? Look at the next letter. Now they've all got EVE. So we need to look at the next letter to see which one should come first. So that's a bit of a clue. These ones are quite tricky to put in alphabetical order because they all start with the same three letters. So we need to look at letter number 4 in each of these words so that we can group them, or we can order them rather, into alphabetical order. So take a photograph of your writing, of your list and your alphabetical list, and I'll see how you got on. Good luck!